Let's get the opening bell here and see how much this sticks at the big board. It is Madison Square Garden Entertainment celebrating the annual Big East tournament. Starts today at the NASDAQ. Ponce Financial Group, a New York-based bank holding company. And speaking of banks, David, one of the hallmarks of this early session will be the price action in European banks so far this morning.
Yeah, I haven't looked at them this morning, Carl, but we know that they have been getting shellacked, to say the least. Just concerns overall about a slowdown in the European economy for obvious reasons. The incredibly quickly escalating price of energy there and the impact that will have. Not to mention their balance sheets and some concern, at least among some banks, as to how much credit they have lent to, for example, the oligarchs who are being pounded right now with sanctions, conceivably selling assets at discounts. How much margin is there? So the European banks have not been a good place to be, at least unless you're short.
Yeah, no,
then you're actually doing very well.
It feels like you never quite get escape velocity in the European banks. It was a good run for Deutsche Bank. Just today is up 6% or something like that. Still had its value cut by about a third from the high. So it's still kind of nursing the wounds, and it's in the bounce zone, not the recovery zone just yet. But as we were saying earlier, Carl, if you look at the reflex leadership, it's the stuff that's been beaten down a lot. Travel related, United Airlines, Carnival, American, Booking Holdings leading the way to the upside. Caesars. So obviously it's just about kind of last in, first out in terms of what got beat up the most recently. And we open up here 4250. It's been this area on the S&P that spent a lot of time in, which can be a good thing if it ends up being kind of a retest. Remember, well before Ukraine, we traded below this level on January 24. Well before Ukraine was a kind of clear and present issue for the market. And we've been kind of grappling with it for 6 weeks now.